If you want to change icons color on iPhone 17, what you can do is you can touch and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this shaking or editing mode. And then you can tap on Edit in the upper left corner and then choose Customize. Over here in Customize, you want to switch to Tinted, and then you can move over here in order to choose the color. So let's say I'm gonna choose this dark blue over here. You can also move on the second slider in order to make it more white-ish if you want to. And yeah, over here we also have some additional options, as you can see. So we can even pick a color from the wallpaper or from our screen if you want to choose a very specific color. You can also switch to dark so that so the background is actually dark, but the logo itself is in the selected color. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, you can just simply tap anywhere outside of it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.